Welcome to the Real Estate Baller Show. If you ever like any of the video we posted, if you like this channel, can you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button? It helps us more than you know. And the bigger this channel get, the more people we can help achieve financial freedom. Thank you and enjoy the episode. I feel like in our industry, there's more people who talk than people who do.
Yeah, there's more people talk, and there's people who, there's a whole story, right? It's like I was saying, oh, I did a stock went well. Well, that's not how stock trading works, right? There's a whole bunch that don't do well. And so you learn, it's almost like I think the fortune builder said, you learn, if you have a mentor, go look at their rent houses. Sit down and say, hey, show me how your books go. Show me what you have above the line and below the line. Show me how your balance sheet. How do you keep track of your amortization schedules in QuickBooks? Like that's the stuff I need help with.
So your challenges are not to put the deals together, not to find the deals, but the back office.
Back office, I would say, because there's a long period of time I didn't really know what my company was doing. What you measure, you can control or manage. And so if we're not having those conversations, then learning how to negotiate is only so. I think the challenge is finding some guys and girls you can be real with and be like, man, I can't believe I spent X on Y.
So, you've been around for 8 years now,
yes.
Right? 8 years.
Yes.
So obviously you've done something right, because most people would have been gone out, do something else already. So if you have to give the listener 3 lessons learned.
3 lessons learned. That's a good point. 1, I'd say partner. I was reluctant to partner. I'd say pick good partners, but partner. 2, I'd say treat your private lenders well. I think I've done that for the most part. I think there's one time I, got in trouble with a deal, and it bothers you when you do, right? So treat your private lenders well, because they become your friends, and a lot of them are smart and they can help you out. And I'd say just try to be authentic. Don't be, it's like Mitch Stevens says, don't do what I do, go do what Tom Brady does and make more money, right? So be authentic. And our businesses have to look different because we look different.
Yeah.
Right? There's stuff I'm comfortable doing, like you might not be comfortable doing. Like I got cattle. I got, 14 head of cattle. And I'm totally cool going out there feeding the cows and all that, and that's fine. That's me. But I do not enjoy driving or walking a house. I just don't enjoy it. Yeah. So I enjoy raising capital. I enjoy putting together LLCs with different people and changing lives. So be authentic, treat your lenders and partners well, and partner. 3 things.
Partners. So like have a business partners.
No, have financial partners.
Financial partners. Okay.
So one thing I always say is I like partnering with money more than partnering with people. So I would say pick business partners very, 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 very slowly, but financial partner.
Where do you go to find partners?
I think it starts with lenders. I think it starts with, the easiest way is a partner is seller finance. Great partnership. Hey, I can't afford to buy this deal. I'm having struggling with this deal. Mm-hmm. Talk to the seller and see if you can finance. Best partner you can do.
That's the best money you can get, isn't it?
Best money you can get. So that's a place to partner. Another place to partner is every time you take a loan, that relationship is a little bit adversarial by nature, but every time you take a loan, you're partnering. And those become people, if they see you can make money, they're like, oh, that's how I started my first partnership. One of my lenders saw I made money, and he's like, next time I'd rather be an equity partner in the deal. It's like, okay. We've done several deals. We just did a deal. We just closed a deal. He made 70%, 1.5 year return. Right. And he's done like 3 or 4, and he's doing well. And it's been a great relationship.
Amazing. Those are really great lessons. Hey, thanks for tuning in today. I do have a favor to ask. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more amazing stories and insights from REBallers. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video. I've been asked a lot about passive investment, and I understand that there is nothing passive about being a landlord unless you can find a great property management company. So if you own an Airbnb, a vacation rental, or a short-term rental, and you are looking to free up your time, contact our team at Buzz Vacation Rentals at 281-549-8432 or check out our website at www.buzzvacationrentals.com. Thank you, and back to the Real Estate Baller Show.